So, at 10:30 they were playing tennis.
This time last year, I was living in Brazil.
What were you doing at 10 o'clock last night?
I waved to Helen, but she wasn't looking.
I was walking home when I met Dan. I walked home after the party last night. Kate was watching TV when we arrived. Kate watched TV a lot.
Matt phoned while we were having dinner.
It was raining when I got up.
I saw you in the park yesterday. You were sitting on the grass and reading a book.
I hurt my back while I was working in the garden.
I was walking along the road when I saw Dan, so I stopped and we had a chat.
We were good friends. We knew each other well.
I was enjoying the party, but Chris wanted to go home.